Greenhouse update. Time to build the inner wall. Gonna start with putting some trim around the window and the door frame. It's really hot. I think it's 32 degrees, which would translate to like 90. Gonna do some wiring because I need a few outlets. Gonna put my glasses on now because it's so bright. Like a glove. So stupid. Plan was to make holes for this to pass through, but I can just go behind. Crap. We're gonna have a socket or plug right here. One of these. These are IP44 certified, so they're made for dust, water, stuff like that. Gonna go right there. Gonna finish the trim around the window, and then I'm gonna start putting those horizontal planks. Time for the final piece, or at least the final trim piece. Like a glove. This part is very tricky to get right. I didn't get it perfect, but it's good enough. And yeah, now I can start on the fun stuff finally. We got a trim done around the window, around the door, wire on that side. So we're gonna have one outlet, one up there for the frost guard, and that outlet is gonna be, that's just temporary, so we're gonna move that and put it right in the middle there. Let's see if this works. On the back side there's a little hole that you can punch out for the cables. And by doing so you don't have to remove any of these side covers, which will make it look way better. Made a hole for that in the plank. There we go. Perfect. We have a line down here, neutral, and the grounding is, it's on the sides. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I got two more supports right there and right there. Now it's time for the piece that was really hard to make. Took me an hour maybe, because you got that thing you need to cut out. You need to cut out for the door, and it's a height difference on either side of the door since I used different sized boards on each side, and you need to cut out for that one. So yeah, it took some time, and I actually need to cut off the ends and glue them together, and it's getting late, so I don't want to annoy my one neighbor by cutting things on the miter saw all night. So I'm gonna try to hurry up to get that last piece done, but it's also gonna require me to hook everything up in the middle outlet, so maybe I need to finish tomorrow. We'll see.
Like a glove. Not like a glove.
Okay, it's time for the final piece. Yay! And we're done! Yes! Ooh. So, let's have a look. Ta-da! And that's it. I don't know if that was much of a kind of a instructional video, but it shows how we did it. I hope it helped someone. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.